What's the meaning of Anglo-Norman? Anglo-Norman. 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 Anglo-Norman.
Anglo-Norman refers to the culture, language, and people who were a mix of Anglo-Saxon and Norman French. It emerged in the late 11th century after the Norman conquest of England in 1066, where French-speaking Normans became the ruling class and had significant influence on the English language and culture. The Anglo-Norman period saw the development of the English language, feudalism, chivalry, and the legal system, which had a lasting impact on British society.